we are going to be working on the trail again, and today we are going to be clearing it with the weed whacker, leaf blowing it, mowing it, and everything. So let's get into it. We're just gonna do a quick weed whacking. Might be doing a little mow later. As you can see, I've cleared it out a little bit here. Not looking too bad. So there's definitely a lot more worse spots, but we're just gonna start here. So, I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but I am using a mic now, which is pretty nice. And, yeah. So, this part right here, where I am, this is probably the least, worst of it. So yeah. I mean, I do definitely think this is the least worst of it. But it's just best. If you can clear it out, you should, because it will get worse. Learned that the hard way last year. It, just grew way more. So, yeah, let's move on to a different spot now. So, yeah, sorry I'm off camera right now, but we have moved on to a bit worse of a spot. Still not too bad. Definitely getting it while it started this year, like before it started, and hopefully that'll stop it from continuing growing. Alrighty, so moving on down now. As you can see, it is definitely getting a little bit worse. So now this is going to be very useful to do. Now, for when it would be more useful, it'd be much harder to do. Clearing your trails, like leaf blowing them, raking them off, getting all the weeds down. Definitely useful because you have a bigger trail and you have new people, like friends that haven't like come before and ridden. They could like get lost if you have big trails. Now us, we do not have very big trails. They're kind of, I don't know, there's not a lot of trail to get lost in. But yeah, so you really like maybe like once a year, like every spring or something, I'd suggest clearing it. That'd be my advice though. That's what I'd say. So, this is going to be about it for today. I hope you can see my head. This is going to be, I'll just move back a little bit. Sure you can. This is going to be about it for today. Now it's getting a little dark. Not really. Got some things you got to do. But yeah, I don't know. I'll make an outro if this has to end up being the end of the video. But there's definitely a lot more to clear. I don't know how long this ended up being, but I got to rake and leaf blow everything else. Probably gonna go around again if I can get it down here. I'm gonna mow down here. Definitely gotta like leaf blow and rake it though before I do that, cause that would ruin the blades on a lawnmower. But yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace for now. I've weed whacked some of it and raked it and cleared it up a little bit off camera. Yeah, I did all this. I raked it, all that, and I just made a pile over there. So over there we have a little bit more weed whacking to do in just that one spot. Over here, as I'll show you guys, I've got like some stuff here to do. But yeah, over here's the worst spot. Yeah, and then we just gotta rake it up and probably leaf blow it to just try and get some stuff that I just couldn't get before. And yeah, sometimes it's just easier to leaf blow because there's so much roots over here. So yeah. Yes, this kind of does look like I didn't really weed whack it, but I did, and it's hard to get the ones that are kind of low. Once I fully clear this all out, I could just like mow this technically, and I just make sure there's nothing possibly to hit, but there's a lot of roots, so who knows. out here, all of this, because this is definitely way too low. So eventually we're gonna have to like clear this out pretty soon so we can actually start using this. I'm gonna clear out all the rest probably till like around here, and then I'm gonna go and weed back the rest of it, and I'll make sure I do it on camera this time. So now we are ready with all the equipment, and now let's get fully started now. I think this is looking pretty good for now. Worked very well mowing it, and we only have a little bit more to do, probably some touch-ups with the weed whacker, and then we just have to clear out that one spot over there, and it should be finished and good for riding. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Please consider subscribing for more. If you like this, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll probably post more. We're trying to beat Oliver H to 200 subscribers, so please consider subscribing. 100 subscriber special coming very soon. There will be a 200 subscriber special if we hit 200 subscribers. So, yeah, peace out.